Hi, my name is Izzy. Life has changed a lot. 2020 had me going through some of the most challenging personal things I've ever had to go through so far. My life felt like a hot mess for a while, and I spent the first 6 months of the pandemic crying my eyes out and having a quarter-life crisis. Now I feel stronger and surprisingly healthier than before, and I'm inspired to create things, share some thoughts, and hopefully help someone. So here we go, first video in months. Here are some ways to take care of yourself that I've used when life isn't going great. Hi guys! My first advice for anybody who's going through a hard time is to face your uncomfortable feelings. So when things started to escalate in my life to a point where it was just staring at me in the face and I had nowhere else to run, I couldn't escape those yucky feelings anymore, and that really helped me propel my life forward. So I got really real and honest about how I was feeling, and instead of shaming myself for the normal feelings like fear, abandonment, anger, disappointment, and sadness, I sat with those feelings and started listening to them instead of running away from them. Something that has saved me this year was to start working on a mindfulness practice like meditation or yoga. If that doesn't really work for you, then take a stroll outside, just get some fresh air, clear your mind, don't think about other things, and just live in your body. Journaling has really helped me in my healing process, especially when it comes to heartbreak. I'm single for the first time in 5 years, which is really scary and uncomfortable and exciting. Journaling through the pain of my own heartbreak was one of the most helpful things to do. Acknowledging some of the painful feelings that I was feeling without taking it out on another person was really important for me. Sometimes when I have a hard time processing my emotions, especially when they're really intense emotions, writing how I'm feeling in that moment helps filter what's actually going on. Let yourself have a bad day and don't beat yourself up for it. I had a moment where I freaked out because I was feeling really good for a while, and then suddenly I started to get really anxious and scared of where my life was going or where it wasn't going. Do things you used to enjoy. This is something I stopped doing for a while because I was in so much emotional pain that I just didn't feel like doing anything, and that's totally fine. But when you're starting to feel a little bit better, start picking up something that you used to enjoy doing. And let me just say that for me, it started very small. At first, it was things like reading a book or watching an episode of a show I like. But everybody's process is different, so go at your own pace. But once you do start to feel better, use this time to really focus on stuff that you enjoy. You can even do something as small as taking a nice hot bath. If it feels good for you, do it. Leaning on good friends and family members has been really important for me. Don't be afraid to ask for help or talk to somebody if you're really needing some emotional support. It doesn't even have to be a lot of people. It can be just one or two. And if you feel like you can't talk to anybody about how you're feeling, you can always go to a professional and seek some help that way. Just get the support that you need and deserve. Know that you're worthy of love and respect, so take some time and really give that to yourself in the best way that you can. Even if you're not hungry or thirsty, eat something, drink water. Simple stuff, but when you're really sad and not feeling good, it's so easy to be like, I'm not hungry. Don't expect yourself to show up in the same way with other people as you've done in the past. If you've gone through something that is really major for you, you're gonna be different around people, and that's okay. Take a moment to be by yourself, especially if you're somebody who surrounds yourself with a lot of people. But if you're someone who just isolates a lot, try to find little ways of connecting with other humans. I could probably go on talking about this stuff for a long time, but I'm gonna stop it here. Everything that I've said in this video has helped me a lot. Obviously, everyone has their own process, so what works for me might not work for you. But if you do have something that I didn't say on here that you found really helpful for yourself, please write it in the comments, share it, and hopefully that can help somebody out there that might need that kind of advice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was at least a little helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, you can subscribe to my channel. Sending you guys so much love. Whoa. Sending you guys so much love, and I'll see you guys around.